Recognize that? That's a papaya. They don't do so well here in Las Vegas. The reason it survived is because of this. It's just in a pot. It's fall now, but anyway, winter's coming. But I don't know, I can't fit it upstairs where I usually take it. 8-foot ceiling, a little over 8 foot. I can reach around 8 feet, maybe a little under. Look how much taller it is. This year it just grew this much from here up to there. Last year from here to here, a little bit more. And then the first year, look, from here all the way down, to here. Look how big it's getting. I really don't want it to die. It'd be kind of pitiful, sad, waste, whatever you want to call it. I haven't gotten fruit from it yet. It flowered too late. So I'm going to take it in the house and put it in the living room by a window. The only issue is sometimes we're gone for extended periods of time and it'll have to be watered automatically. But no, it doesn't need much. This is our papaya tree. It's flowering. I should say mine, I guess I'm the one that's babied it. It's 3 years old. And I'm going to back out a little bit so you can see. So here it is. Look at that. It's touching the ceiling. Let me show how tall it is. I tried many times. This is the 4th one that I've tried. I convinced my wife to let the tree stay in the house, just in the living room for a while, for now. And I'm taking it out when the sun shines and it's nice and warm.
Unbelievable. Okay, dear. What can make you happy?
Beautiful flower. Papaya. I just tried to pollinate it a few minutes ago. We'll see how it does. I have 2 flowers, one here and one over here. Oops, one over here. But the only problem is I think they're both female flowers. So I don't know. Been going for 3 years. I've been in the house in the wintertime. This time I don't think I'm going to be able to do it because it's rubbing up against the ceiling now in the living room. I used to take it upstairs to my upstairs bedroom. I got the ladder here so I could get up close. But I'm just enjoying the flowers. It's a nice warm day today. We've had rain for 4 days in a row. And so I took it in the house, but I wanted to bring it out so I get some sun. So this is what I was using to try to pollinate. Going here, rubbing, and then going over here and rubbing the side. The only problem is I think these are 2 female flowers, so probably didn't do any good. There's little, some of them have 2. There's one right there, one right there, you know, there's 2 together. This one only has 1, I don't know what happened. That one has a second one right there. It looks like it could come out, but the pollen looks like they're starting to dry up already. But whatever, it doesn't matter whether we get some or not. I'm just thankful. Flowered. There aren't that many bees this time of year because it's getting cold. It's November 20th today, and we still keep it alive.
Love you too.